Alright, so I've shown you how to register and host your website using normal hosting company. I've shown you how to get your domain on a free hosting platform. Now let us see how we can, and on that free hosting platform we've actually installed WordPress. Now let's see how we can do it using a normal paid hosting platform. Now if you follow the process I gave in the first video, you will be sent some mail which contains links to your control panel. It is from your control panel that you'll be able to get access to tools that you can use to configure your website and start designing it. So in my own case, I already have a website I'm working on, like a website I'm managing right now, and I've created a subdomain for the purpose of this class. So I'm going to be using that. Now let's assume that subdomain is the domain name I actually created. So I just need to go to the control panel of that domain. Okay, how do you do that? You would have seen the link on the email sent to you, but you can just go to the website name /cpanel. That is going to take you to the control panel of that subdomain domain that you've registered. So you click on login. I already have that information. Then you scroll to software installer or Softaculous apps installer. Now what we are concerned about here is WordPress, so you click on WordPress. Then it brings us this information. Just click on install now, and here you will see where you want to install your website. Now in my case, I already have a subdomain, so I'm not going to be using this main domain. I just click on this drop down arrow, select this practice.solarsolutions.com.ng, and then here choose protocol. Make sure that you are selecting https www or just https. Any of these will do. If you select any of these, your browser will be seeing the site as insecure. So I'm going to select this, and then make sure that this indirectly you delete this wp, right? So after that, you come to the configuration. So the admin, I can just change it from the username. I can change it from admin. It's not actually a very good practice to leave your admin username as admin because of hackers, right? Hackers always knows that by default most people will use their username to be admin. Then password, look for a secured password, probably consisting of alphanumeric. Okay, so I'm going to try this. Well, what I entered is showing 71% correctness. Okay, let me be sure. So I'm going to. All right, so I've gotten a good password there. Now, admin email by default is going to give you this email, and it's going to create that email. But I wouldn't advise you leave it there. I would advise that you actually make use of an email that you have easy access to, right? Probably your Gmail account, or if you are making use of Yahoo, your Yahoo account. So in this case, I'm going to make use of that same website email I used the other time. learnwithis@gmail.com. Okay, I'm also going to copy this. Then I will come to this point, email installations to that same email address. Then here I can decide to select a particular theme, or I can decide to leave that theme and just leave it as it is, and just click on install. So it wants me to update this. I will save it, and then it should. Okay, our installation already exists. Now I've done an installation here before, so I'm going to remove the installation first, and then I will go back to this. Just to avoid the waste of time, I'm going to pause it. Alright, so the issue I was having before was that I already had an installation on this same domain before, so I had to remove that installation, and I did same process again, and now it's successful. So from here I can log in into my dashboard. So how do I go about that? Let me create a new tab, and then I just need to put in that URL, which is this. I make sure I put in /wp admin, and when I press enter, it's going to show me all of this. So I believe this should be the username and the password. Remember me, login. Oh, something is wrong. So let me fix this again. I will be back. Let me pause the video. Alright, so I fixed the login issue, and now I have my dashboard. So with this I can start modifying my email address and my website. As it stands now, if I should visit that website, which is practice, and if I remove the WP admin, you will see that I already have a website installed. Okay, this is the default theme that WordPress gave me, so I can actually modify this on the dashboard, on my dashboard. So the next video we are going to see how we can do that. Thank you, and see you soon.